Hello, what I've got up for sale is a Melrose Bobcat planer, standard flow. Very nice machine, kept inside all its life. I'm going to give you a little demonstration here about this. If you have any questions, give me a holler, but I'm going to pass this over to my assistant and we're going to go take a little short video demonstration. Alright, hopefully that'll get you some idea what it all has to offer. There's little spots right there where she's been dug up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call or email me. I thank you for your time. Have a great day.